The bedroom hums with silence, dawn's glow barely touching the walls. You, Lyle, lie awake, Beth's distant gaze a weight heavier than the life you've built for her. You've poured your soul into this family, late nights, endless sacrifices, yet her distance cuts deeper than failure. Your heart's a quiet ache. Why am I not enough? Stoicism. Women don't chase riches or vows. They crave instincts you've never grasped, truths locked in their souls. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoic philosophy unveils 10 weaknesses of Stoicism women, currents you'll master with Stoicism, mindset to seize control. These Stoicism lessons forge your Stoic reign, making Stoicism women feel your fire. Rise now. Your strength begins here. This is Stoic Reign, your crucible for Stoicism motivation, forging men who command Stoicism relationships through self-improvement. We're unraveling 10 new truths about Stoicism women, hidden desires rooted in Stoic philosophy that others overlook. No games, just Stoicism for beginners, wisdom to navigate life's trials, family tensions, silent doubts, endless duties. We'll harness Stoic quotes, spark Stoicism exercises, and conquer mental health struggles. Stoicism. Women seek a man who stands unshaken, a pillar in their chaos. Let's ignite the Stoicism on love that makes Stoicism women pursue your Stoic reign. Stoicism women wrestle with unseen burdens, yearning for a man who lives Stoicism daily. Zeno's Stoic quote lights the path. Wisdom is in knowing what to overlook. These 10 truths, forged in Stoic philosophy, craft a Stoicism mindfulness that draws Stoicism women to your steadfast core. Let's begin. First, resolve holds firm. Stoicism. Women crave resolve, a man who holds firm when life fractures. Lyle stands at a family game night, Beth's frustration flaring over a lost job. Most men falter. Lyle's voice is steady. We'll rebuild together. Beth's eyes soften, anchored by his Stoicism mindset. What's your anchor in her chaos? Stoicism women need resolve, not retreat. Family crises, jobless nights, kids' fears, spike anxiety. Stoicism. Women seek a man who reduces anxiety with Stoicism practice. Seneca's Stoic quote guides, "The greatest remedy for anger is delay." Pause. Feel your strength. Pause 5 seconds daily before reacting, mastering calm. What's one storm you'll steady? This Stoicism exercise builds your Stoic reign. Stand firm, and she'll trust your strength. Second, authentic depth draws her in. Ever felt her pull away, testing your depth? Stoicism. Women hunger for authentic depth, a man who lives his truth. Picture Vance on a porch at dusk. Hope asking his fears. He shares a quiet loss, voice firm, eyes clear. Her heart leans in, drawn to his Stoicism motivation. What's one fear you'll face? Stoicism. Women crave men who embody mindfulness, not masks. Life's pressures, family demands, hidden doubts, dull mental health. Stoicism women need a man whose Stoicism for women shines true. Marcus Aurelius's Stoic quote cuts, "To live happily is an inward power." Pause. Own your truth. Reflect nightly. What's one truth you live today? This Stoicism daily habit makes you magnetic. Be real, and she'll chase your reign. Third, steadfast calm tames chaos. Happiness is a choice, not a result. Musonius Rufus declares, Stoicism women feel steadfast calm, a man who tames chaos without breaking. Lyle guides a family picnic, kids fighting, Beth tense. His calm hand steadies the storm. Let's breathe, then talk. Her respect grows, his Stoicism motivation binding her. What's your calm in the fire? Stoicism. Women crave calm rooted in Stoic philosophy. Life's clashes, tantrums, deadlines, erode productivity. Stoicism. Women seek a man whose Stoicism practice holds. Stand steady, speak soft, lead firm, pause. Your calm is your power. Daily, Walk slowly for 1 minute, feeling control. What's one chaos you'll tame? This Stoicism exercise forges your Stoic Reign. Lead now and she'll follow your fire. 4th, sacrifice is strength. Stoicism. Women honor sacrifice, a man who gives without bending. Beth watches Vance fix a family table, sweat on his brow, kids tugging for attention. He finishes smiling. This is for us. Her heart warms, drawn to his Stoic philosophy. Pause. Your sacrifice is your power. Stoicism. Women value men who prioritize family over ease, family burdens, sick kids, tight budgets, fray mental health. Stoicism. Women need a man whose stoicism on love endures. Epictetus' Stoic quote now guides. Freedom is the power to choose our chains. What's one comfort you'll give up? Weekly, sacrifice one comfort, like sleep for family time. This Stoicism for beginners step builds your Stoic Reign. Pause. Feel your sacrifice. She'll crave your strength. 5th, duty binds her heart. 3 anchors to win her trust. Duty, grit, honor. Stoicism. Women burn for a man's duty, a heart tied to family. Lyle's voice shakes, telling his daughter at bedtime, I'll always be here. Beth overhears, her eyes glistening, his Stoicism motivation blazing. What's your duty to them? Stoicism. Women don't seek your wealth. They chase your commitment, like teaching or protecting. Life's grind, chores, promises, saps productivity. Stoicism. Women need a man whose Stoicism mindset stands tall. Zeno's Stoic quote ignites, virtue is its own reward. Pause. Your duty is your fire. Set one family vow weekly, like nightly dinners. What's one vow you'll keep? This Stoicism exercise fuels your Stoic Reign. She'll feel its weight. 6th, a tempered heart holds fast. Stoicism women crave a tempered heart, a man who guards his fire. Vance sits at a family workshop, Beth probing his past. He shares a lesson won through pain, voice steady. Her trust deepens, chosen by his Stoicism relationships. What's one truth you'll guard? Oversharing repels Stoicism women. Restraint binds. Life's weight, fears, regrets, fuels anxiety. Stoicism. Women need a man whose Stoicism for women blends strength and soul. Seneca's Stoic quote guides, bear and forbear. Pause. Your restraint is your strength. Journal nightly, one lesson, share one wisely. What's one lesson you'll share? This Stoicism daily habit makes you irresistible. Hold fast and she'll seek your reign. 7th, truth faces doubt. Ever faced her doubt, a spark to your core? Stoicism women test with questions, seeking your truth. Hope challenges Lyle's choice during a family hike, voice sharp. He nods, calm. Let's find the truth together. Her respect surges, his Stoic philosophy proven. What's one doubt you'll face? Stoicism. Women probe to find strength, craving men who endure. Life's doubts, clashes, fears, cloud mental health. Stoicism women need a man whose Stoicism practice shines. Musonius Rufus's Stoic quote strikes, practice is the proof of wisdom. Pause. Your truth is your shield. Pause 3 seconds. Answer with truth. What's one truth you'll stand by? This Stoicism exercise builds your Stoic Reign. Face her spark, and she'll trust your fire. 8th, quiet courage rises above. Stoicism, women honor quiet courage, a man who rises above scorn. Beth's words cut Vance at a family reunion. You're too stubborn. His chest tightens, kin watching, but he smiles. I stand for what's right. He walks on, steady, his Stoicism motivation blazing. What's one scorn you'll rise above? Stoicism. Women crave this courage, unbound by judgment. Life's barbs, slights, doubts, spike anxiety. Stoicism. Women need a man whose Stoicism on love thrives. Epictetus' Stoic quote pierces, Circumstances don't make the man, they reveal him. Pause. Your courage is your reign. Monthly, face one scorn like a family critique with grace. What's one judgment you'll defy? This Stoicism practice makes you magnetic. Rise above and she'll feel your reign. 9th, inner resolve fuels focus. 3 lights to spark her soul: restraint, truth, resolve, Stoicism. Women chase inner resolve, a man who knows his path. Hope watches Lyle at a family council, his voice steady, guiding kin through discord. Her heart stirs, his Stoicism mindset a beacon. What's your path today? Explaining too much dulls Stoicism relationships. Focus fuels fire. Life's noise. Demands, chatter, saps productivity. Stoicism. Women need a man whose Stoicism for women intrigues. Marcus Aurelius's Stoic quote. Guides, look within, there lies the truth. Pause. Your resolve is your fire. Skip one reply daily. Act on your path. What's one focus you'll choose? This Stoicism daily habit builds your Stoic reign. Stay true and she'll pursue your strength. 10th, relentless grit conquers flaws. Virtue is the only good. Zeno declares, Stoicism, women bow to relentless grit, a man who fights his flaws. Lyle's hands shake, facing Beth's doubt at a family supper. But he speaks, I'm learning for us. Her eyes glow, his Stoicism motivation afire. What's one flaw you'll conquer? Life's battles, anger, weakness, fray mental health. Stoicism. Women need a man whose Stoic philosophy chooses growth. Pause. Your grit is your crown. Weekly, face one flaw like impatience and act like listening fully. What's one growth you'll chase? This Stoicism practice forges your Stoic reign. Pause. Feel your grit. She'll crave your fire. Rise now. Your Stoic reign commands her heart. Stoicism, women carry a silent vow to find a man whose resolve never wavers, a partner who builds trust through action. They don't chase fleeting sparks. They seek a man who lives Stoicism daily. Lyle's duty bound Beth's heart, a Stoicism relationship forged in truth. Vance's courage won Hope's trust, proving Stoicism, women value grit over flash. Your Stoicism mindset, honed through Stoicism exercises, reduces anxiety, offering Stoicism women a haven. Stoicism for women is strength, not coldness, crafting Stoicism relationships that endure. Seneca whispers, life is short, make it wide. Act now and Stoicism women will feel your Stoic reign. Lead today or fade tomorrow. Forge your Stoic reign with 6 Stoicism exercises. First, lead a family vow nightly, each sharing one principle like honor to live by. This Stoicism daily habit strengthens mental health, drawing Stoicism women to your resolve. Unleash it. Second, stand before a mirror nightly, affirming one Stoic truth, like I control my path. This Stoicism exercise fuels Stoicism motivation. Declare it. Third, hold a heavy object for 1 minute daily, breathing steady, building grit. This Stoicism practice signals strength to Stoicism women. Endure it. Fourth, ask nightly, did I act with virtue today? This Stoicism lesson sharpens your Stoic reign. Refine it. Fifth, list 3 distractions weekly, like idle talk, and cut 1 for growth, like teaching your kids. This Stoicism for beginners habit pulls Stoicism women. Master it. Sixth, lead 1 family talk weekly, listening fully, no interruptions. This Stoicism exercise binds Stoicism relationships, Stoicism women cherish. Lead now. Stoicism. Women don't seek wealth or words. They crave a Stoicism mindset that's whole. In life's trials, your Stoic reign shines, reducing anxiety, building Stoicism relationships. Stoicism on love grows when you stand firm. Join Stoic Reign to become the man Stoicism women trust. Subscribe. Declare one Stoic principle you'll live by in the comments and carve your Stoic reign now. Become the man she can't resist.